show any characteristics of decomposition. They don't seem to be affected by the decomposition process. So the hairs that we use here,
is that because presumably they're shared?
not necessarily, they may still be.
I think I need to move that thing up. You going crazy? Go crazy, bud.
Still be in
Go crazy.
Again, nobody knows what exactly causes the connection to decomposition. The keratin is hardened in these hairs. It's not as vulnerable to the mechanism that creates the appearance.
Go crazy.
So the only hairs that we tend to see characteristics of decomposition are hairs that are involved where the keratin is.
There you go, brother. Tear it up. Tear it up. There you go. You showing off for the camera? Go crazy.